And the really cool thing about this agent is that it just understands your whole project. You don't have to keep mentioning and prompting things. Of course, that helps the model to be even better. But especially when you're starting with like the idea, or like, okay, what's the idea? For me, for example, with the chronimals, I just like, I want to have this cute 3D animated tiger, but he's a ninja, back in the Japan in the old era. And then I was like, oh, maybe there's a monkey from the future who kind of accidentally gets there by time travel. And then he gets sucked back into like the time portal and then starts this crazy adventure. And that was my initial idea. And then I started like brainstorming with the agent. And then it was amazing. First of all, it's super fast. Second, it's just very, very, very good with the story. At least that was my experience. Because I said, okay, I got this idea. Maybe I had a few more characters in mind. I'm like, they kind of travel around, time and space, and that's kind of what I'm having now. And then it helped me to create like really rich backstories for each of the characters, even name the characters, what's their strengths and weaknesses and characteristics, and it just worked so well. And then when you have that text, you can feed that into the main story. It helps you write out that as well, and all those texts can then be kind of infused into the whole story. So when you prompt something, you're like, okay, now create something around this story, and it understands the project perfectly, which is great.